What's up, guys? Good morning. It's Thursday, December 22nd, 2016, and I have a special aircraft review in tribute to Continental Airlines. Now, you see two of Continental's planes, the 747 and the McDonnell Douglas DC-10. Sad to say that both of these aircraft have long since been retired from active use. But they had a pretty large fleet since about 1970, along with the 747 and the DC-10 and the 737, the MDA, MDA-2, and MDA-3. The 757 and the 767 and the 727 and the 737, and Continental started Continental Express, both with the ATR-72 and ATR-42, and later the ERJ-145 and the Beech 1900D was added to the fleet. By the end of the 1990s, Continental's 747s were reaching the end of its flying career, and the aircraft was subsequently retired from active use and was placed into retirement. Many of Continental's planes wound up at Mojave in California, which is an airport, and an airplane boneyard, where both the 747 and the DC-10 ended up at, being stripped and then sold for scrap. And basically, both of these planes have long since been retired, while the DC-10 was replaced by the 767-424 and the 767-224, and the 747 was replaced by the 777-224. So, long after 1999, and then by 2010, Continental was to be no more. It was to be of United Airlines. Its legacy had lasted almost nearly for about 4 decades before Continental ran its course, and that was the end. Now, you can see both planes. I'll give you a good profile of both aircraft. I'll give you a bird's eye view of both planes. And that's it for this aircraft review. I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video, and please leave a comment in the section down below on my YouTube page, and I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video, and like I always say, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you around.